Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you the steps to acquire an SSL certificate through GoDaddy. This procedure is vital for safeguarding your site, ensuring that all visitor information stays private and secure. While protecting your website might seem daunting, it is actually quite simple, and I will walk you through every stage. To start, navigate to the GoDaddy platform by entering their URL into your browser. GoDaddy is a prominent provider for domain registration and web hosting, offering various tools for marketing and security. Once you arrive at the homepage, locate the area for domains, websites, and hosting services to begin. Next, select the Products tab within your account dashboard. This section organizes all the services you have purchased, including your SSL certificates. Take a moment to browse through your active products to confirm you are in the correct area for managing your domain's security settings. After entering the Products area, click on SSL Certificates. This link takes you to a dedicated page for all SSL-related tasks. For those who don't know, SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer, which is a protocol that creates an encrypted connection between your server and a visitor's browser. This page is essential for both purchasing and managing your security files. To proceed with getting your file, click on the Certificates option. This will display a full list of every SSL certificate associated with your profile. Make sure you have the necessary account permissions to modify these settings before moving forward. Now it is time to handle the specific certificate. From the list, find the one you want to download and click the Manage button next to it. This opens up several tools, including the option to save the certificate to your local drive. Be sure to follow any remaining prompts on the screen to finish the download process. That is all there is to it. You have successfully navigated the steps to get your GoDaddy SSL certificate. Your website is now ready for encryption, providing a safer experience for your users. Remember, a secure site protects data while boosting your reputation and search engine rankings. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore our other tutorials for more helpful tech advice.